Hey guys, here's a quick pink cut crease eyeshadow tutorial. For my base, I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty ULTAmate Holiday Beauty Palette. And then I'm going to be going in with the Morphe 3503 palette, using the hot pink shade on my outer corner of my eyes. Then I'm going to be going in with the eyeshadow brush from Target, using the same color on my other eye. Then for my cut crease, I will be using a small flat brush, and I am going to be using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots Concealer for the cut crease.
I'm looking down from up in the sky. I don't like it. Oh, I've been without you for all this time. Good God, I'm bent out of shape now.
Then I'll go in with the same Ulta Beauty palette and use a light pink and a white for the inner corner of my eyes.
You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want.
Then I'll go with the same concealer and apply it under my eyes.
You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh, ah. We're moving places I can't control. I don't know how.
Then I'll be adding my Ioni cosmetic lashes.
To be without you, I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby,